We have this right here. This is a 06 or 07 1000RR with removing the castle nuts, or for the engine mounts. This right here is a 3/4 inch socket. It used to have 4 prongs on it. After a lot of use, it has 2 left, but it does the job. Anyway, that castle nut needs to be loosened to move the engine mount in and out. Once this castle nut is loosened, the one on the outside perimeter or outside edge, then you can leave the engine mount bolt in there, because if you take it out, the engine mount bolt just kind of spins. Or engine bolt spins. You put this back in here and it moves the mount itself. This is what it does. We have this here. I guess this is kind of as far as it's going to go now. And then when you turn it with this 8mm hex, I guess if you turn it to the left, it'll pull the engine mount out, give you space so you can take out the engine. And then once you're putting in the engine, you'll put the engine bolt through, turn it clockwise, and tighten the mount onto the engine. The same process is for the bottom one. You can see this bottom one has been extended out a lot further. And yeah, so that's how that works. Like I said, once you pull it out, it does not spin the mount anymore because of the way the head is shaped. Push it in, push it out, and like I said, this outside perimeter one needs to be removed or loosened or taken off so that you can do all these adjustments. And like I said, this is a 3/4 inch socket with these little with these grooves cut into it, and it fits right in there, and you can either tighten it or loosen it to remove it. Anyway, I hope this helps somebody.